Hi, I'm Ava. In today's tutorial, we are going to be covering how to use the Request Video Removal feature on Wheretodance.com. In our last video, we covered how to add your videos to our live video channels. This included adding, managing, and deleting your videos. So let's go over who and why someone might want to use this feature. There are a number of reasons you might want to remove a video from our website. These could be for the following reasons: harmful and/or dangerous content, copyright infringement, or you just want to opt out of the live video channels. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to log into your account on Wheretodance.com. Locate My Account, click, and you should see a drop-down menu. Click Request Video Removal. This will open the Video Removal Request Submission form. First, start out by filling out your full name. Now let's talk about the ways you can have a video removed. Option 1, via your YouTube video ID. In order to remove your video using the video ID, you can either copy the entire URL of your YouTube video or simply input the video ID directly. Option 2, removal via the video channel ID. This makes it easy to streamline the removal process. Simply copy the entire YouTube channel ID URL or directly input your YouTube channel ID. You can also use both the video ID and channel ID. The channel ID option makes it super easy to bulk remove many videos. This assumes that the videos are using the correct video channel ID. Next, choose a reason for removal. Then the additional comments allows you to send a message along with the removal request. After that, click the Submit button. Your removal request is then sent to one of our staff members to review the removal request. If your request is currently waiting approval, you will see all open requests on the video submission homepage. Upon submission, it should automatically show your open requests. If for some reason you need to get back to this page, follow these steps. Locate My Account. Click and you should see a drop-down menu. Click Your Video Submission. Please be patient as our staff reviews your removal request. Please allow up to 48 hours to review open requests. Once approved, your request should no longer be visible. Okay, so let's talk about what happens once a request is approved. So, it's going to remove all your videos either by video ID or channel ID or both. This will delete all data related to your videos, as well as place it in a blacklist that will prevent the videos from being submitted by anyone or added by anyone in the future on our platform. So, how can I get my videos removed from the blacklist once it's on the blacklist? If at some point you decide you want to remove your videos from the blacklist, please contact us via the main contact form on Wheretodance.com. Tell us you wish to open an official blacklist removal request for either your video ID or channel ID. In order for the video to be removed from the blacklist, you must prepare these things first. 1. Prove ownership of the video or channel. 2. That it's not infringing anyone's copyrights. 3. That the content is not harmful. Next, please allow our staff enough time to review your case. If everything is correct, then we will remove your channel or videos from the blacklist and contact you via email. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time. Ava out.